of the building blocks of writing. But we do know the name of the man who devised the method we use today of classifying the elements. The language of chemistry was better understood after a Russian scientist arranged the elements by virtue of their properties and relationships with other elements. This scientist was Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, who arranged 63 elements in increasing order of atomic mass. Mendeleev wrote information about each element on cards. He noticed that their atomic weights could be used to rank the elements. He observed that elements with similar properties appeared at regular intervals. Mendeleev's periodic law states that physical and chemical properties of elements are periodic functions of their atomic masses. However, Mendeleev did not follow strictly the order of increasing atomic mass. For example, when an element did not seem to fit into its expected position in a group, he left an empty space in the table. He could predict the properties of a few elements, and later on, when these elements were actually discovered, there was a remarkable similarity in the observed properties and those predicted by Mendeleev. For example, Mendeleev was able to predict the properties of an element with atomic mass 72. He named it Eka silicon. It was later discovered and named germanium. He also predicted the discovery of a metal having similar characteristics to aluminium and called Eka aluminium. Similarly, he predicted Eka boron, Eka manganese, and Eka tantalum. Here is Mendeleev's periodic table. It is rotated clockwise 90 degrees so that it is easier to understand. It consists of rows of elements called periods and vertical columns known as groups. There are 8 groups numbered 1 to 8. Groups 1 to 7 were divided into subgroups A and B. Group 8 contains triads of elements. Some blank spaces are left for undiscovered metals. Mendeleev was able to predict